Okay, so you got your script. It's looking great, but it's kind of boring to read the movie, you know? So let's make some drawings to explain the story even better. And hey, if you like my videos so far, do leave a comment down below and consider smashing that subscribe button. It's always nice to hear from you guys watching this, you know? Alright, so storyboard. Storyboard panels are pretty much the same as making comic pages, but the panels have the same size of boxes. It's best to set the frame size for all of your panels, like just typically around 16 by 9 frame ratio or 1920 by 1080p size. Start drawing out the most important scenes in your video and add more panels in case you need to explain the scenes more. Have main parts of the script on the bottom of the panels for ease of communicating what you need here. So things like dialogues or action notes, really anything to help explain the story even further. It's not just good for a project with a team though. It helps your organization too if you're doing this all by yourself. It's good to be organized. So yeah, hope this helps you out, man.